This is an introduction to the Firebow, making fire by friction. So here we've got the half board with sockets that we've already drilled and worked in, and a notch that lets the dust from the wood and the ember form. You've got the drill which fits the socket. On one end it's going to be a bit rounder and flatter to maximise the friction, and on the other end, I'll point that in a minute, you can have that pointed to minimise the friction. So that's the half board and drill, and this is the bow. The drill is wrapped in the bow, and then you use that to go back and forth. So you've got the half board, the drill and the bow. You'll see how I use the bow in a minute. We've also got two limpets. You might be wondering what they're for. I use limpets instead of a wooden bearing block on the top of the drill slot. So you have two limpets, and that gives you a nice firm grip down on the wood. Now the benefit of having limpets is they're polished on the inside and it doesn't wear down the wood drill from the top. So it minimises the friction on top there and maximises it down the bottom. So limpets are a great bearing block, and then of course you need the tinder bundle. This you need to have ready made and prepared before you even start with this, because once you've got your ember, you need to carefully transport the ember to the tinder bundle, and that's what this piece of bark here is for. So you do your work onto the bark, so at the end you can just lift away your half board there and have your dust, and then you're transferring that ember to your tinder bundle and blowing it into life.